you bored of watching TikTok in a freezer? TikTok canoe trip version!
I'm bored of watching paint dry.
With this coronavirus stuff over, I can finally go somewhere, dudes! But where should I go?
I'll tell you where you should go. You should go to Hawaii.
Aloha! In Hawaii, they have pineapples. And now I'm going to show you how to make pineapple pie.
Oh!
Oh! Now just clean it up, put it in a pie, and voila!
Why is it too expensive? Yeah, where should we go?
The canoe trip.
Hawaii canoe trip doesn't even compare. Niobrara River every time.
Now that we all know that we're going canoeing, let's talk about canoeing. We can easily keep all the guidelines in the era of COVID. In fact, we're ahead of the game because we've already been figuring out how you can do contact sports without touching each other. Check this out.
Fail!
Give me a seat! Give me an A! Give me an A! Give me an O! Give me an E! Space! Give me a T! Give me an R! Give me an I! Give me a P! What does that spell? Canoe!
Okay! Don't touch me! Don't!
And you know we always have volleyball. Well, volleyball has never been a problem being 6 feet apart.
I got it! Martina! Wait! Nancy! Yeah, that was pretty bad, wasn't it? Anyway, the only thing that's changed is the fact that on transportation, you're kind of on your own. But Jeff at Family Life Office and myself, just let us know. We'll help in any way we can. As usual, about a week before we send out a list, it says what you need to bring. We have directions there. Usually we always get in some way or another in contact with people. And beforehand, you can get a hold of us. And the first date is July 5th. That's a Sunday. All the times and everything and who can go is in the little music video that's just going to follow this. And so also what we're probably going to do is if people are live in a compromised area, we'll probably even call them, kind of interview them, make sure everything is kosher. And so besides that, it's fun as usual. So check out how much fun we usually have.
We don't need a motor, we don't need a sail, and we don't need no fins or gills, and we don't need a tail. Let's just keep it simple, we'll each get an oar, paddle out to no man's lake and float till we can't no more. Can you canoe on a little boat built for two? Can you canoe? I'll be your captain and your crew. Can you canoe if there's nothing better to do? I wanna float down the river with you. I wanna float down the river.
Like this.